Zhongtuo Roll Forming Machinery Company, Ltd., located in the industrial agglomeration area of Bada City, Hebei Province, covers an area of 50,000 square meters, of which the workshop area covers 27,000 square meters, with a monthly production capacity of more than 70 sets of annual production capacity of more than 800 sets. Since 2014, we are committed to the design and manufacture of different types of cold forming equipment, mainly production and sales, metal roofing sheet machine, glazed tile machine, steel keel machine, rolling shutter door machine, storage shelf series, highway guardrail series, photovoltaic bracket series, seismic bracket series, cable bridge series, automobile girder, carriage series equipment, Zhongtuo Chuanqing functional tile and its production equipment and other materials and equipment. The company's products sell well in Asia, Africa, Europe, South America, Australia, and other more than 150 countries and regions, forming a product marketing network throughout the world. As the source factory, Zhongtuo Roll Forming Machinery Company, Limited aims to create a one-stop service platform and become a globally influential product equipment supplier. Because we understand every aspect of the machine, we know which design is better for which type of customer, and how to choose the best machine for the customer. With reliable mechanical structure and excellent after-sales service, Zhongtuo has advanced production and inspection equipment, based on international standards, controls first-class quality, strictly checks the performance tests of products, and meets a number of international certification standards. The company's CNC Center, with advanced remote control technology and electronic core equipment, is in a leading position in the development of high-tech in the industry, and carry out the combined research and development of AI artificial intelligence technology. The remote operation and maintenance technology of Siemens Industry 4.0 can realize the global network remote technical service support, and realize the advanced level of remote monitoring and maintenance of equipment around the world. The systematic thinking proposed by General Manager Su Lianxing, the company's leader, the idea of regionalized precise division of the market, product strategic ecology, the layout of the international market, the establishment of raw material procurement, product processing, product sales base, and the formation of collectivization. Zhongtuo has passed 22 patents and is a national-level high-tech enterprise, a Hebei province specialized and special new enterprise, a science and technology innovative enterprise, a Hebei province cross-border e-commerce industry demonstration enterprise, and a master's internship base of Yanshan University. And as the leading enterprise of municipal key projects, participated in and promoted the key projects of municipal government school enterprise cooperation to develop talents for the industry, reserve talents, and attract talents. Zhongtuo cold bending output of forming equipment sold in the world, with the leading technology, excellent quality, rich experience, perfect after-sales has won the praise of customers around the world, and dozens of international enterprises and customers with Zhongtuo reached a long-term fixed cooperation, reflecting the Zhongtuo cold bending in the industry's high recognition and reputation. Zhongjing Ziyu on extension of excellence, Zhongtuo will not forget the original purpose, continue to serve customers around the world, to bring you the most satisfactory products and services. Choose Zhongtuo, a broad career.